That's Chelsea.
Okay, on the spot.
Like a spiral burp.
Hold on. Oh, I can't dance right
Julia
now.
over there being lazy.
Julia, come over here. Back it up.
You're supposed to be standing up, doing something.
Wait, a YouTuber?
I'm in Spencery, okay.
I'm leaving in 15 minutes. And I'm doing her.
This is Alexis. Roundy. This is Claire's. It's wonderful, isn't it? If you think it's ghetto, you'd be right.
Where's Jamie? No. You can't do it while I'm with the client. That's not fair.